There was a question in the forum about kind of creating custom game objects, so I wanted to do a quick little video to demonstrate how you can do that right now. So first thing I'm going to do is create an empty blueprint. I'll just drag that right into the world. This doesn't have anything in it, but let's name this custom game entity, I guess, and we're going to add some logic to that. So first of all, let's add a model so we can see it. What would be a good model? Let's do a mine. So now we can see the mine there. Move it up a little bit. Alright. Now we want to detect when the player enters a volume, so we're going to put a trigger in there. You can see this volume right here, a box. Let's change it to a sphere. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. It's not going to filter anything. You can make it filter just players and no force applied when you enter that trigger. So let's test this out. It's not going to do anything yet, but let's get a player spawner in there. Assign the avatar to there, and we should be able to jump in here and see the mine. Alright, it doesn't do anything yet, but there it is. So as an example, let's add a script. Let's do something when we enter that volume. So we have a lot of example scripts in here that do something on trigger. So when something enters the trigger. So let's do take damage. So this is when something enters the trigger, it's going to take 10 damage. Let's change that to 13. And no damage on exit. So let's see if that works. 100 health, 87 health, 74. Let's do one more thing, just to so we really understand what's going on here. Same thing, we're going to find another script here. So these are scripts that other people have written, but you can just, based on the name, it's pretty simple what they do. So let's add score on trigger. So when something enters this volume, we're going to add some score. So we're going to add 2 points, a word to enter object, so the object that enters is going to get the points. So now when I enter, I should take 13 damage and get 2 points. As you can see, bottom left of screen, 87, and 2 out of 10 points. 4 out of 10, 74. Alright, I'm going to do one more thing here, just because it's fun. Add another script. I think I have play sound on trigger. So now we can make a sound play. Let's just do a little explosion sound when we enter that. So now, hear the sound effect play as well. So this should give you a basic idea of how you could kind of create custom game objects without writing any code, just by using this code that already exists. And if you ever wanted to go in depth, you could open that file there, defaults, play sound on trigger, and see how it works. So hopefully that gives you a basic idea of how this system works.